everyone, it's Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home, and today I wanted to share with you a fun little upcycle project I did using these Dollar Tree dollhouse pieces I picked up. So I got a little table, a small dresser, and a little bed, and I'm just going to do some simple updates to these to make them fit my little niece's dollhouse style a little bit better. So this bed came with this plaid piece of fabric attached to it. This dresser is plain, and I'm going to start with the table because it's this plain wood and I'd like to make it look a little bit more farmhouse. So I'm adding some water to paint, brushing it on using just a simple Dollar Tree foam brush. And then I take a wet rag and I wipe off the excess, and it gives us this whitewashed wood look that I think will look really nice with my niece's dollhouse. Then for the bed, this fabric was really glued on, so it took some work to get that fabric off. So I wasn't able to get every single little bit of it off, as you will see, but I came up with a solution to cover it up so you won't be able to tell. But I pulled off as much as I possibly could from the sides especially. Then I took this soft pink paint, that's actually leftover paint from Molly's bedroom, and I painted over all of it, including the bits of fabric left on the side. I just painted right over it, and I used the same soft pink on the dresser. This is special because it's Molly's room paint, but she also has a pink dresser in her room, so it was a fun way for us to have a connection for her little cousin when she's playing with these pieces. I took some Dollar Tree lace ribbon. I love this ribbon, it's really pretty, and I cut it to size for the side of the bed. See, that's where I painted over the attached fabric, and I just hot glued it so it looks like a little lace bed skirt, and it turned out so cute, so you can't even tell that I couldn't get all the fabric off. So next I busted out the sewing machine, and I am a novice at best when it comes to sewing, but I just took two little small scraps of fabric and sewed them together, flipped them inside out, and made a little double-sided duvet for my niece. I hand sewed that little pillow and put a tiny bit of fluff in there so she has a little pillow, a reversible duvet, and this cute little bed for her dolls in her dollhouse. The table turned out so darling, and I made a runner for the table by hot gluing two pieces of that same lace in the center and cutting it to size. The little picture you see was a yard sale find that my daughter and I found over the summer. So all together, here's how the pieces turned out. I think they're so cute. It's not perfect, but that's okay because we like the handmade touch around here. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I put this together for my niece. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments or by giving me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.